Hi, today we learn about sets. So let's understand what is a set, and so it's kind of an introduction to sets. So um, so in general, like okay, some people say their hobbies means uh, coin collection, coin collection, or stamp collections, so etc. Right? So so you might know, so maybe you might be doing stamp collection or coin collection, some kind of a collection, right? So what exactly it is? So we collect different kinds of stamps, like within India or different nations. So India, United States, or you might be collecting all countries as well. So all coins. So uh, currently, what is it, Indian coins, American coins, or else like you might be doing some old, during the Mughal Sultanate, there are some coins, and after that, during Britishers' time, so there will be a different set of coins. So you might be collecting them. So these are all collections. So in the collection, what happens? Sometimes, for example, somebody is doing a stamp collection. So when they are doing the stamp collection, they might be collecting Indian stamps. So, for example, they collected different types of Indian stamps, like the same stamp. Like okay, for example, I don't know how to do. So let's take one, two, three, four, and somebody gave the same type of stamp to her, like number two. She got two number two, and she also got a share, he, so whoever it is who are collecting the stamps. So think these are all different types of stamps. This is one stamp, second stamp, third stamp, fourth stamp, and she got the same type of stamp, another one, and yeah, again she got another this kind of a stamp, and she go five, six, eight. So these are all different types of stamps. For example, if you think like that, so this is called a collection. So stamp collection. So somebody will show, hey, this is my collection of stamps. Good. So yeah, when we want to say to somebody, so how we design stamps, right? That's a name, like stamp collection. So somebody is doing a coin collection. Let's take it in another box. Like this is 25 paise. This is 1 rupee. This is 2 rupees. So I don't know whether you know it or not. Olden times there will be 1 paise stamp also. Sorry, coin. Then the 2 paise. There are 10 paise and 50 paise. So and recently they have 10 rupee coins too, and 5 rupee coins too. And somebody gave the same 25 paise. And even in 1 rupee also there are different types of 1 rupee coins. So think like this is a different type of, this is 1 rupee and this is a different one. So but value is same, 1 rupee, 1 rupee, but it is a, here it is written like 1 in English letters, RUPEES, 1 rupee, 1 rupee, sorry, E. And this is 1 rupee with a recent latest rupee symbol. And so this is another coin collection. So if we take this one, we call them as collections. So why we are discussing collections and such? So this is a well-defined collections, because I'm not, I can, if somebody asks me what is well defined, Well defined in the sense properly, like, okay, we can give a meaningful name to that one. So this is stamp collection, I can say. So all are stamps only, nothing else. I'm not mixing with 1 rupee note here, 1 rupee note or 100 rupees notes. I'm not mixing. So because if I put coins and sorry, stamps and rupees, I can define, but it will be like more stamp and note collection or a coin collection. So I have to put two names in it. Or if I mix it with toothpaste, how it would be. So toothpaste. Okay. In this collection, what happened? So coins, stamps, rupees, and if I also put what to say, salt, then it will be like I can't define this one, so it is going in somewhere else. So it would be like everything. If somebody asks me what kind of collection you have, mm, I have stamps, rupees, toothpaste, salt. No, so this is not well defined. It has everything. So at least these four items you can name them. But if you keep on adding all these unrelated subjects into this one, then you can't define properly. So that is called well defined or unable to define. So let's talk about well defined things only. So well defined means which you can properly say that oh, I have a collection of stamps. I have a collection of toothpaste. I have a collection of notes. So different things. But in that collection, all the objects somewhere should be related to each other. So that is called well-defined collection. So if somebody asks, you have to define it properly. Hey, this is stamp collection or coil collection, something like that. Yeah. Okay. Now we'll learn words like collection and well defined. Well defined. So now we'll come to that a different name called sets. Okay. So set is something that it is very relevant to well defined collections, but only difference between collection and a set is in sets we don't allow duplicates. So duplicate in the sense the same thing again and again is called duplicate, right? So here in this collection, to make it set, we have to remove the duplicates. That is what our stamp collection do. So generally they don't collect the same stamp 100 times. They try to be unique and distinct. That is what we do it in stamp collection. But sometimes we also put duplicates. If it is unique and rare, we keep it in our collection. That's the reason we go by the collection word. We don't say stamp set. Stamp set means you have to remove all the duplicates. 2 is a duplicate stamp. Here 1 is another duplicate. Here the same one. Rest all are unique. Now this became a stamp set. You can call stamp collection too, no problem. But since we removed all the duplicates, it became stamp set. Okay, what about this one? So this is our coin collection, right? In this collection, 25 paise, 1 rupee, 2 rupees, 1 paise, 2 paise, 10 paise, 50 paise, 10 rupees, 5 rupees, 25 paise. This is a duplicate. Cut the duplicate. What about this one? 1 rupee, this is rupee 1. This is a old coin, Indian government given in this format. Think that, okay, this is the latest coin. So our thing said unique things. That means no duplicates. These are not duplicates. Yeah, the value is same, but it's not the same coin. So they can get considered unique things. Unique means distinct. So they are not, the value is same, but the look and feel, everything is different. So they are called a distinct objects. So you can say that this is my coin set. You see the word I introduced, set. That is what our chapter says. So a set is something well-defined collection with distinct objects. So these are all sets. So what is a set? So set is a well-defined collection of distinct objects. So let's write it. A set is a collection of well-defined collection of distinct objects. Okay, so let's see the definition and what we discussed. So we have this collection and it's a well-defined, this is stamp collection, this is a coin collection, so we can define the groups very well. So that's why we are called well-defined and a collection, a group of things of distinct object. Distinct means removing duplicates. So all should be unique to each other. So 1 is different from 2, 2 is different from 3, 2 is different from 4. So like that. It should not be the same. So after removing all the duplicates, so distinct means unique. And they should not be same. So all the elements should be different to each other. So it became a set. So now it is a stamp set and this is a coin set. Now we got to know the definition of a set. It is nothing but anything in this, whatever the collection you do, we can say a set by removing duplicates, and you should well define the things, what is in that box or what is in the collection. Okay.